Hi, my name's Owen Beardsmore from Cervus UK. I've been going through the Leupold kit I've been using in the last 12 months, and this has been absolutely wonderful to use. I've been using that in Scotland and when we went to the mountains, and it's the GR12 40x60 spotting scope.
Oh, there's the big stag.
What a piece of kit this is. I'm used to the big long draw ones or the 3-draw. This absolutely wonderful bit of kit fits in your backpack in this specially made case. I've been really impressed with the light gathering that's given us out on the hill, even in the darkest days when we're after hinds. It has a rugged magnesium housing that's covered in this really nice soft grip. It's got a 60mm objective lens, and it's got a dialable 12 to 40 magnification lens. Soft eye cap that means you can sit and look for a long time without getting any eye fatigue. It was great out on the hill, looking for stags at a long distance and then planning our route into them. We used this in all the weathers. The casing was absolutely soaked and it still performed. Just gave the lens a bit of a wipe off. Really great performance and never let us down. And we used it in conjunction with their carbon fibre Pro Guide tripod, which you could adjust the legs of to get even on the most awkward surfaces. When we're sitting in deep heather, we could get it all set up and have a real focus and pick the stags that we were going to try and stalk into. Honestly, the technology that Leupold have got here with this folded light path has made the length be reduced, made it so compact I can get it in my backpack so easily. And again, lifetime warranty, so even if it does let me down, I can get it replaced or repaired. Part of the accessories is the case, which I would very much recommend. It obviously protects your investment, but it also gives it some extra padding when it's banging around on your back when you're out walking, up in the mountains, out on the hill, whatever you're doing. So what's it going to cost you? Well, this is just over £2,000. Money well spent, I would say. And the carbon fibre Pro Guide tripod is about £400.